Drink this daily to lose 1 kilogram every day. Today I am going to share one super easy weight loss drink. Just drink this before going to bed and your body will lose all extra weight while you sleep. To prepare this you'll need cucumber, lemon and chia seeds. What to do? 1. First take 1 cucumber, peel it off and extract its juice. 2. In this add juice of half lemon. 3. Add 1-2 spoons of chia seeds in this. 4. Mix all of them and your weight loss drink is ready. Right time to consume this drink. Drink it every night before going to bed. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. That's around 40% of the recommended daily intake. Diets high in fiber have been linked to weight loss. According to 2015 research, eating 30 grams of fiber daily may help you lose as much weight as if you followed a more complicated diet. Good luck and success!